Good morning, Jeff. This is Paul. I just wanted to show you, we've got your boat prepared for the build-up coats of, well, not quite prepared, obviously. We've got some stain touch-ups to do. We had to replace a few bungs and tighten a few planks. And so you're seeing those spots where we put new bungs in after we pulled the bungs, tightened the planks, and so forth. And we've got some places where the varnish was coming off, and we'll be correcting the colors on those before we put any of the varnish over those. We've got the bottom repaired. I thought I'd show you the old stuff that came out of there. Here is your broken keel. That's the rest of your broken keel right there. And it's in really good shape except for this little area right here. Then we had a cross member that went on the inside of the boat across from one stringer to the other. And you can see where that was also broken. And so it had a pretty good lick on it. This is another member. This one's not in terrible condition. Of course, we're not going to reuse it, but it had that one. That one you can see where this is where the struts bolts through. And interesting, there was a little bug activity that we uncovered as well. A little bitty tiny beetle of some kind. And so these are the parts that came out. And then we'll go back under here. And of course the beetle was undetected. It was living between layers, couldn't be detected. So down under here is where here's the end of your new keel right here, this key-shaped thing. And you had a plywood bottom, and now you still have a plywood bottom. We cut out quite a large area. I say we, I didn't do any of it. I'm just reporting on it. There we go. So we cut out a large area to where we didn't have any breakage, any damage, and replaced then everything that was damaged. And of course this area right here just had to be cut out in order to access this area to do the work. So that is the result of the damage, and that is the correction for the damage. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on that. I think you already probably have the financial update I did, and so that should be it for right now. We'll have further communications as the project moves along. Thank you.